Hello and welcome to this video on Gravita India, a company that recycles lead, aluminium, and plastics from various sources and produces high-quality products for various industries. In this video, we will look at the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, as well as its financial performance, competitive position, and future prospects. Let's start with the SWOT analysis of Gravita India. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and it is a strategic tool that helps to assess the internal and external factors that affect the performance of an organization. Strengths: Gravita India has several strengths that give it a competitive edge in the market. Some of these are: strong brand recognition. Gravita India products have strong brand recognition in the metal recycling industry. This has enabled the company to charge a premium compared to its competitors in the industry. Diverse revenue models. Over the years, Gravita India has ventured into various businesses outside the basic materials sector. This has enabled the company to develop a diversified revenue stream beyond the basic materials sector and the metal recycling segment. Market leadership position. Gravita India has a strong market leadership position in the metal recycling industry. It has helped the company to rapidly scale new product successes and expand its global presence. High profitability and growth. Gravita India has shown a consistent and impressive growth in its revenue and net profit over the past few years. The company has also maintained healthy margins and return ratios, indicating its operational efficiency and financial stability. Environmental and social responsibility. Gravita India is committed to environmental and social responsibility, as it recycles waste materials and reduces the carbon footprint of its operations. The company also contributes to various social causes and initiatives, such as education, health, and community development. Weaknesses. Gravita India also has some weaknesses that it needs to address and overcome. Some of these are: dependence on raw material availability and prices. Gravita India's business depends on the availability and prices of the raw materials that it recycles, such as lead-acid batteries, aluminium scrap, and plastic waste. These factors are influenced by various external factors, such as demand and supply, regulations, and market fluctuations, which can affect the company's profitability and growth. Regulatory and legal risks. Gravita India operates in a highly regulated and competitive industry, where it has to comply with various environmental, health, safety, and quality standards and norms. The company also faces legal risks from various stakeholders, such as customers, suppliers, employees, and authorities, which can result in litigation, penalties, and reputational damage. Opportunities. Gravita India has several opportunities that it can leverage to enhance its growth and profitability. Some of these are: growing demand for recycled metals and products. Gravita India can benefit from the growing demand for recycled metals and products, especially in the automobile, power storage, and green energy sectors. These sectors are witnessing a rapid growth and innovation, driven by the increasing awareness and preference for eco-friendly and sustainable solutions. Expansion into new markets and segments. Gravita India can explore new markets and segments, where it can offer its products and services. The company can tap into the emerging and high-potential markets such as Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia, where there is a huge scope for metal recycling and waste management. The company can also diversify its product portfolio and cater to new segments such as medical, aerospace, and defense, where there is a high demand for high-quality and specialized metals and products. Innovation and technology. Gravita India can invest in innovation and technology to improve its operational efficiency, product quality, and customer satisfaction. The company can adopt new and advanced technologies, such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and Internet of Things, to optimize its processes, reduce costs, and enhance transparency and traceability. The company can also innovate new and value-added products and services to differentiate itself from its competitors and meet the changing customer needs and expectations. Threats. Gravita India also faces some threats that it needs to mitigate and overcome. Some of these are: competition and price pressure. Gravita India faces intense competition and price pressure from its rivals in the metal recycling industry, both domestic and international. The company has to compete with other established and emerging players, who may offer similar or better products and services, at lower prices or higher quality. The company also has to deal with the threat of new entrants and substitutes, who may disrupt the industry and erode its market share and profitability. Environmental and social issues. Gravita India is exposed to various environmental and social issues that can affect its business and reputation. The company has to deal with the challenges of waste management, pollution control, resource conservation, and climate change, which can impact its operations and performance. The company also has to address the concerns and expectations of various stakeholders, such as customers, employees, communities, and regulators, who may demand higher standards of environmental and social responsibility and accountability. Now, let's look at the financial performance of Gravita India. The company has reported its results for the quarter ended September 2023, which show a strong growth in its revenue and net profit. The company's revenue increased by 22.48% year-on-year to 836.18 rupees crore, while its net profit increased by 44.27% year-on-year to 57.86 rupees crore. The company's earnings per share, EPS, also increased by 43.75% year-on-year to 32.25 rupees. The company's margins and return ratios also improved, indicating its operational efficiency and financial stability. The company's operating profit margin, OPM, increased by 1.01 percentage points year-on-year to 11.17%, while its net profit margin, NPM, increased by 0.76 percentage points year-on-year to 6.92%. The company's return on equity, ROE, increased by 5.69 percentage points year-on-year to 25.81%, while its return on capital employed, ROCE, increased by 4.64 percentage points year-on-year to 20.27%. The company's balance sheet also showed a healthy position, with a low debt-to-equity ratio of 0.28 and a high current ratio of 2.03. Next, let's look at the competitive position of Gravita India. The company is one of the leading players in the metal recycling industry, with a strong presence in India and abroad. The company has 13 manufacturing plants across 8 countries, with a total installed capacity of 36,000 MT per annum. The company also has a diversified product portfolio, which includes lead alloys, lead products, aluminium alloys, plastics granules, and PET flakes. The company serves various industries, such as automobile, power storage, green energy, medical, aerospace, and defense. The company has a loyal and satisfied customer base, which includes some of the reputed and renowned names, such as Exide, Amara Raja, Luminous, Tata Power, Reliance, Honda, Suzuki, and Toyota. The company also has a strong brand recognition and reputation, which enables it to charge a premium and maintain a high market share. The company also has a competitive edge in terms of its quality, innovation, and sustainability, which differentiate it from its rivals. Finally, let's look at the future prospects of Gravita India. The company has a positive outlook for the future, as it expects to benefit from the growing demand for recycled metals and products, especially in the automobile, power storage, and green energy sectors. The company also plans to expand its capacity, market, and product portfolio to capture new opportunities and segments. The company also aims to invest in innovation and technology to improve its efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. The company also intends to continue its environmental and social responsibility to enhance its reputation and stakeholder value. That's all for this video on Gravita India. We hope you found it informative and useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on business and finance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.